Hi, I'm Rob King. This is the Homebrew Masterplan Outtakes edition. If you haven't checked it out already, the link above will take you to the recipe for the Munich Dunkel, brewed up for the Euros taking place in Germany during June and July. This recipe required some extra planning. With 6 weeks in lagering, it was over 3 months end to end. With so much time, there was plenty of time to make a big smash with this one. Quite literally. Carbonation was spot on for the style, but this also resulted in several other outtakes. Please feel free to share your comments and like and subscribe. The Munich Dunkel has been a joy. It's also time to continue the fun with the outtakes. Cheers everyone.
It's not due yet, but this is a cheeky extra taster of the Dunkel. Let's see how we do. Nice and cold. Well, lovely and dark, seems to be carbonated. Actually not as carbonated as I expected. A little more bitterness on the front than I was anticipating, but so was the pale ale. I wonder if it's something about how I'm brewing these. Like magic. So, of course, oh no! So we'll be able to compare that to the. So we'll be able to compare that to the other thingy. Now we figure out what we do next. Well, now it's all going to be blooming hot for a start. Interesting. So, time for us to give it a try. Bit gassy. In terms of a shootout then, in terms of colour, carbonation.
Now it is quite interesting. You'd think. Now it is quite interesting, which meant we had to do a hop, skip and a jump then. Lesson number 3 is the maximum capacity of my brew kettle, which came in, it doesn't. Finally, lesson 14. I think this must be the longest list of lessons I ever. Happy home brewing. In June we ticked the Dunkel box very successfully, and we are getting ready for the start of the Olympics in July with an Olympic Pilsner. Meanwhile, equipment failure is causing me all sorts of problems for the Blue Moon clone in August. The master plan is going off track. Tune in next time for the retrospective, where we'll look back and re-evaluate the brew. We'll have a look at the schedule, the costs, the price per bottle, and some lessons learned. See you next time.